Do you ever feel like you want to do something but you just can't start? Like you know what you should be doing but you still don't do it? Yeah, same here. You are not alone in this situation you are facing. I am also here. For a long time, I thought I was just lazy. But the truth is, I was not lazy, I was just exhausted. Not physically, but mentally. Think about it. From the moment you wake up, your brain is already working. Phone notifications, messages, videos, scrolling, they never stops. And all of this is draining your energy. So when it's finally time to do something important, your brain just says, I am tired. And you call that laziness. It's not. You are not lazy. You are overloaded. Too much dopamines, too much distraction, too much noise. And your brain just want the easiest option. That's why you scroll, that's why you avoid work, that's why you feel stuck. I was stuck in the same loop every single day. But then I realized something. If I keeps myself lazy, nothing is going to change. So I made a small shift. Instead of trying to do everything, I started one thing. Just one task. Just 10 minutes thought. Nothing else. No phone, no distraction. Just focus. And yeah, it felt hard at first. My mind felt lighter. My focus came back and I did not lazy anymore. And that's when I understood. Laziness is the not problem. It's a symptom of too much distraction and not enough control. So you feel lazy all the time? Don't blame yourself. Fix your environment, reduce direction, start small and watch what happens. Because you are not lazy, you are just overwhelmed. I hope this video completely guide you, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel.